Assalamu alaikum group members. I hope all of you are doing fine and very consciously and actively practicing your speaking skills. Over here, a very interesting exercise has been shared with you. This is basically a suggested way of expressing gratitude. Gratitude is called shukr guzari in Urdu. The common practice is to say Alhamdulillah, but whenever we are saying Alhamdulillah, it is more of a lip service, something we are just speaking and not feeling. And it's just like a ritual and a routine. So when we express gratitude by writing, we involve our mind and our muscles in actually performing the practice and actually understanding it. Idrak karna jisko kehte hain. So when we are able to really comprehend and understand and acknowledge what we are grateful for and why we are grateful for it. For example, we are grateful for our eyes. How many times do we actually realize that we are grateful for our eyes? And then, how can we acknowledge it? What is it that we can do with our eyes? What are the good things that we can do with our eyes? Looking at this very message is a way in which we can see really good exercises and activities posted in the group. We read them, we are able to read them, we are able to understand them better when we read them, and then we participate in the activity, and we are able to also see other people also participating. We are also grateful for our ability to hear, because we are able to listen to other people and feel encouraged on how other people are also participating. There are some participants who are trying very hard in spite of the fact that even if they are not very good in English, even if they are not very fluent, even if their pronunciation or accent is still improving slowly and gradually, they are actually working on it. So we are able to hear all this. So we are definitely very grateful to have this. So in this way, also in preparation for the upcoming month, holy month of Ramadan, when we start acknowledging this, the first 10 days of Ramadan, which are the Ashra of blessings, Ashra Rahmat, try this exercise. Try writing down at least 5 to 10 or more. You can challenge yourself and do 20 every day. It will barely take you 20 minutes, like barely 1 minute per sentence. Or if your writing speed is fast enough, maybe you will barely take 10 minutes to write 20 things. And just observe your energy, how great you'll feel when you acknowledge each and every blessing in its most possible entirety as much as you can, and improve on why you are grateful for something. So wishing you all the best. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.